In this video, I want to show you how much my $5,000 dividend stock portfolio paid me in dividends in July 2024. This table has all of my dividend stock investments over the past 5 months, where I've been investing $1,000 each month into dividend stocks. The companies in white cells did not pay any dividends in the month of July, so we can ignore them for this video. Only the companies highlighted in green color were the ones that paid me dividends in July, and this column contains the actual dates when each company paid me dividends. So if we plug in the dividend payment amounts in these yellow cells for each company, we'll be able to see the total dividends that I've received in July 2024. So let's start with the first company, which is ADP. ADP paid $1.40 in dividends in July 2024 for each share that investors own. And even though I have 2 shares of ADP stock, I purchased one of them only recently, so I didn't receive any dividend payments for that in July 2024. The next company is Avalon Bay, and they had a dividend payment on July 15th for the amount of $1.70 per share. The next company is BP, and I have 10 shares of their stock, even though I purchased 5 of them only recently. So I was paid a total of $2.18 for the 5 stocks that I owned. The next stock was Coca-Cola that paid dividends on July 1st, and I was paid a total of $1.46 for 3 shares, or approximately 49 cents per share. And the last stock is PepsiCo, the main competition for Coca-Cola, and they paid me $1.36 for 1 share that I own in dividends. So overall, I got paid $8.10 in the month of July from my dividend stock portfolio. And you'll see that in this table, the month of July was updated to $8.10, and my overall dividend stock portfolio has made me $29.89 so far in 2024. And you'll notice that my July payment was a bit smaller than my June payment. And that's completely normal because companies are paying dividends on a quarterly basis. So in June, it was other companies that were paying me dividends, and their dividend amounts could vary. I think a better comparison would be to look at July versus April, because it's the same companies paying dividends in those months. And as my dividend stock portfolio continues to grow, each quarterly payment should be higher than the previous quarter. Make sure to check out my recent video about the 4 dividend stocks that I'm investing $1,000 in the month of August 2024. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.